Hey there, welcome to the JeepSolid Garage. Today we're going to be reviewing and installing Hook Road's Stubby bumper on my project Jeep. Woohoo! We're out testing it out right now. Hook Road's Stubby bumper for your YJ or TJ. Let's get to the installation. Hook Road provided me this Stubby bumper for an installation and review video. It obviously has some LED trail running lights. We got the little stinger there, all the hardware we need to install it, and it comes winch compatible. Just need to install my winch and my fair lead on it. For installation, a couple 19mm wrenches and a 6mm hex head. First thing we're going to do is attach the little stinger on the front here. There's a couple of pre-drilled holes on the bumper and pre-threaded slots on the stinger itself. We're using these 6mm bolts with a washer, lock washer, and bolt, one on each side. Hey there, pardon the interruption, but I needed to provide an updated discount code. In the video description below this video, there's a link that'll take you to Hook Road's website, and that will automatically apply a discount to your order, the JeepSolid 5 discount. Check out that link, it's in the video description below. Let's get back to the video. Now next we are going to dry fit it in place. We've got these two holes that we're going to use to mount, and then one on the bottom. It's going to fit up on the frame right here. On the frame on the YJ, we do have the two top bolts here and the bottom one there, but the way this is designed, it does not fit this back hole. We're actually going to have to drill a hole here for the second mounting bolt. You can see how far apart those two are there and how narrow those two are there. So we're going to drill another hole right there. So let's put it in place so I can mark where I want those holes drilled. All right, I've got two bolts in on each side, just loosely, so that I can mark this second hole here. I forgot, did I mention the discount code in the video description below? Be sure to check that out. Let's take this back off and drill those holes out. And I will have to use two of my own grade 8 bolts on these new holes. Now our holes should line up perfect, and of course when you're lining it up and marking your holes, I'm sure you have it centered left and right. I did check that as well. And a bolt, lock washer, and washer in each of the 6 holes. Kind of helps to take a screwdriver, pry it out a little bit. Double check that everything is lined up, and then we'll tighten all 6 of those bolts down. I'm going to add the D-rings now and my customary noise dampener. A little bit of plastic tubing. Split it down the middle and slip it over the D-ring for a little noise dampening. It's looking really good. All I gotta do now is wire up my LED lights, the trail lights. There's a red wire and a black wire. The red wire is gonna go to our positive. The black wire is the ground. I think I'm gonna run a wire up both sides and wire it into this right here, so it's all on the same switch. That'll work really well. And then I gotta put my winch in place, but overall, I'm really liking the look of how this is turning out. Let's go for a quick drive. So Hook Road's Stubby bumper, exactly what I was looking for. It has all the features I wanted, winch plate, mount, recovery points, built-in LED lights. Be sure to check out that discount code linked in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my next video right here. Have a good day.